P. Chauhan hai. I am into automobile sector for last 30 years. So I work with various companies like Maruti, Honda, Hyundai, and Mahindra and Devu Motors. But today, in present day, there is a crisis of water all over the world, and everybody is thinking about the saving of water. So just to think, keeping in mind how to save the water, we have started one steam car washing system. In this system, only 2 to 3 liter water is required to for complete washing of a car. And the benefit of steam wash is steam. Using steam inside the car, it removes all type of bacteria, bad smells, and also if there are spots on the trims or dashboard or say that can be removed. So it is better to get the steam wash so that it will be slightly better for health and as well as for the condition of the car. And we will save the water at least in a car. Like if we get the car washing through a washing center, it requires minimum 250 to 300 liter water. Whereas in this machine, we require only 2 to 3 liter of water.
Okay, 2 to liter. You mean to say that कि हम 2 से 3 लीटर में ये काम खत्म कर सकते हैं. Otherwise,
Great.
water is
You can see there is a no drop of the water. We have completely washed the car. There is not a single drop. No drop of water. So we can save water. Which is good for our upcoming generation.
Yes. It's beneficial. You can contact with Mr. Chauhan.
Yeah.
So I will share with your contact details in description. So please contact with him.
Thank you.